Hi Alan, we have just completed the exchange exhausts for you and they look absolutely stunning on. Sure you will agree. Although I prefer the sound of the 4-speeds, but it does sound really nice anyway. It's all come up very nice indeed. In fact, I did think about emailing you and deciding not to sell it because it is awesome. It's the best X7 I've ever had. I'm sure you'd agree. And the wheels are really highly polished and beautifully done, all lacquered. I'll let you hear it. It's got a very good compression, this bike. Doesn't need much of a kick. Still sounds just like an X7 should. There we go.